So if we look at what we have this morning, we have we got beetroot, lemon and ginger, 3 ingredients which is we're going to be using to make this beautiful juice this morning. Beetroot can also help to lower your blood pressure 100%. All right, so I think I may use this one this morning, a small blender. So let's see if it will work. That's the lemon and ginger. All right, and then we're going to put in the beetroot. Excellent. So yeah, everything can work into this blender. Lovely. So we're gonna get some water. All right, we're gonna get some water to strain it off, to help create the blender a little bit. So some water. Excellent. All right. Put on the lid. That is excellent this morning. All right, lovely. And once I do that, this is all you need to do. You don't need to stress yourself and worry about anything else. Okay, yeah, just do this at home. All right, yeah, let's take it to a blend this morning. Strain it off. This is powerful, guys, really powerful. All right, so I just want to encourage you to do this one in the morning if you can. Excellent. All right. And to be honest, you could go some more with it. Let's pour it out. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. That is amazing. Very simple. But I'm gonna tell you, it's one of the best things you could ever use at home. Drink this 1 in the morning, 1 at night. Honestly, it can help you to lower your blood pressure and also help you with your blood flowing inside of your body. Very good for your liver, very good for your kidney also. Give it a try at home and tell me exactly what you guys think about this recipe. Okay, amazing one to you guys this morning, so enjoy.
Pot on the stove top embrace, spices dancing in the breeze, cooking magic with such ease, jerk chicken sizzling loud, drawing in the hungry crowd, iron flavors in the air, Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather round the fire tonight, taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art, feel the love in every part. Coconut rice so divine, Mango salsa, oh so fine. With every bite a happy